Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw money from Shopify into your bank account. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on Shopify currently, and what we're going to do from the dashboard is we're going to go into settings. For this, we're going to support or set up a payment plan or a payments system. Just go into payments and you'll have payment provider options over here. You have PayPal, but that's not what you want to do because all your funds go from your Shopify store to your accounts directly, unless you want to withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. What you're going to want to do is use a third-party payment provider by clicking choose provider right over here, and you'll see a list which you can then choose from and use whichever one you want. Now, for the ones that are unavailable in your country or in your region, it'll say unavailable in your country, so you can just ignore those. But from all of these, you just need to click on the one that you want, and then you need to just install it and follow these steps to setting up your account through this payment provider. One thing I wanted you to keep note of is you do have this bogus gateway or bogus provider at the top, which is just for testing, so don't choose that if you want to actually withdraw your funds. But in any other case, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.